sound shaped human evolution far more than we realize. While we obsess over ancient tools and cave paintings, it was actually our ancestors' ability to process complex soundscapes that may have given us our biggest evolutionary advantage.
That's such a fascinating perspective. We're so visually focused when studying prehistory. But these early humans lived in a world where every single sound carried vital information.
You know what really blows my mind? Studies of fossil evidence show that Homo erectus had specially adapted inner ear structures that could detect higher frequencies than other primates. They were literally evolving to become better listeners.
Hmm. So their survival actually depended on being able to process these complex sound environments. What kinds of sounds would have been most important to them?
Well, think about it. Every rustle in the grass could mean a predator. Every bird call could signal danger or food. Even the way sound traveled through the landscape could tell them about approaching weather. Modern hunter-gatherer societies give us amazing insights into this, like how the sand people in southern Africa can identify dozens of different animal calls.
That's incredible. It's like they're reading a sound map that most of us can't even perceive anymore.
Exactly. And what's really fascinating is how this heightened awareness of sound eventually led to music. The oldest known instruments we've found, like that controversial Neanderthal flute from Divje Babe, are over 50,000 years old.
Oh, right. And then there are those beautiful flutes from Geisenklusterle made from vulture bones and mammoth ivory. The craftsmanship must have been incredible.
And here's what's so interesting about those instruments. They weren't just for entertainment. Music served crucial survival functions. Think about it. Lullabies helped parents bond with infants, increasing survival rates. Rhythmic music coordinated group hunting. Communal singing strengthened social bonds.
So music wasn't just an art form. It was actually a sophisticated technology serving multiple social and survival functions.
Exactly. And when you look at where they were making music, it gets even more fascinating. Studies at places like Lascaux and Chauvet show that many of the painted areas correspond exactly with spots that have unique acoustic properties.
You mean they were deliberately choosing locations based on how sound would behave there?
Absolutely right. They were essentially prehistoric acoustic engineers. They created these incredible multisensory environments where sound, art, and architecture all work together. Imagine being in one of those caves with flickering firelight, seeing those incredible paintings, and hearing voices or drums echoing off the walls in precisely planned ways.
That really changes how we should think about prehistoric ritual spaces. They weren't just visual galleries, they were complete immersive environments.
And you know what's really mind-blowing? The discovery of that Neanderthal hyoid bone at Kabara showed that even Neanderthals had the physical capability for complex vocalization. We're talking about sophisticated vocal abilities possibly predating Homo sapiens.
The implications of that discovery are incredible. It suggests that complex vocalization, maybe even singing, goes back much further than we thought.